Happy Stock Lock Sunday. Today I'm gonna try to pick this Viro, made in Italy, obviously as it says. Kind of a cool logo. I'm not sure on the age of this. It's got a nice patina, a little corrosion to the shackle. Nice old lock. If anybody is more familiar with these and can give me an idea of the date of manufacture on something like this, I'd appreciate it. Here's the key. Very high in the back, rest from medium to high. Nothing terrible. Okay, here's our keyway. I'm gonna go in with if I can get a hold of it, go in with a 50 thousandths top of the keyway and a 23 thousandths DeForest diamond from the Praxis kit. Since it's easy enough to work from the bottom with this. I'm going to start in the back, see if we can get anything going. Nice. Feels set there. Working my way back. Enjoying the holiday weekend, Independence Day here in the U.S. Shooting guns, watching fireworks, having fun. Visiting family at the time. Let's see, get a little awkward getting around here. There it is. One. I gotta click on 3 on the way back. I think I have 5 set now. Seems to be the tricky pin in this lock. 4 feels set. And that was just me slipping off a 3, I believe. Come back through. Well, let's try to the back again. Still haven't quite got the hang of picking around the camera. But let's see what we can do. Another click on 3. I'm not sure if this has serrated pins or if they're just old and a little worn. Get a lot of clicks out of them though. Something just dropped. I'm gonna reset and try again. See if I can position just a little bit better, where I can get at it. Okay, starting the back again. There we go. Felt like a set. Hopefully not an overset again. One is binding. That's 3. Not having a lot of luck with this guy. See if I lost something back. Yeah, I think I may have dropped 5. There we go. Get up there. I am not having any luck with this thing. a pretty nicely made lock. You can tell it feels real tight, even for being old. I thought enough to bring a tripod this time, but kind of wondering if I shouldn't have brought a vise. Oh well. Do what we can with what we got here. Man, this thing is... As soon as you feel one set, you feel another one drop. Probably a better order to go at it, but I'm not familiar enough with this lock. I don't know if I mentioned I got it like a week or two ago, so I haven't really been picking at it. Yeah, I'm not having good luck with this one today. Let's change the angle up. Must be more on 5. Well, it feels pretty set. Ah, there it was 4, just hanging on by a thread. There, feels like one set there. Check 5 again, he likes to fall. Come on. And there we go. And we are open. This is a nice little lock. It's got a great patina to it. Edges are still nice and sharp. Little corrosion on the shackle. All in all, nice lock. Until it's probably shimmable. It's got the spring-loaded pawls. But they're off. But the tolerances on this are pretty good. I think I could get one in one side, but if it's truly double locking, which I'm pretty sure it is, I really don't think I'd get a second shim in to open it. But that's been this Viro made in Italy. Nice little addition to my collection. Now I got it picked on video. I can just hang it up and enjoy it. I hope everybody's having a great day. Enjoy your Stock Lock Sunday, and I will talk to you later.